Hi, welcome to How to Life, and today I'm going to show you how to change the water filter in your fridge. But how do you know when to do this? Well, there might be a date on the old filter that tells you when it was last changed. The change filter indicator light might be flashing, or it might be yellow or red, or your fridge is making a weird noise, or the water tastes terrible. So here are the steps to follow to change that filter. First, you're going to locate the water filter in your fridge. In most fridges, it's located at the bottom, and sometimes it could be on the back wall or in the front grill. You want to make sure that you have the right replacement water filter. You can take out the one that's in there and go to a store like Home Depot or such and get a replacement, or you can order it online. And you can also refer to your fridge's user manual or the manufacturer's website to find out which water filter you need. To remove the old water filter, you usually will turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. However, sometimes you might have to turn it clockwise, just see which way it turns and unlocks. Now beware that water may come out when you remove the old filter, so have some towels or a container ready to catch it if you'd like. Get your new filter out and write the date on it so that you know when to change it next. You're going to insert the new water filter by pushing it in until it clicks into place. Now, before you walk away, check for leaks. If you do find that it's leaking, I have a mominar that shows you how to fix a common cause for this. Here's an example of a filter that's at the back of the fridge, and it's the same thing. You're just going to turn it clockwise in this case and pull the old filter out. It just pops right off, and then you screw in the new one. Now, if your fridge has a water filter indicator light, you're going to want to reset it by pressing and holding the button in for a few seconds, and it should turn green. Finally, you're going to run a few cups of water through the dispenser to flush out any air or debris in the new water filter. And that's it! Your fridge water is now changed and ready to provide clean and fresh water for you and your family. This may be something that you didn't even think about. But if you live in an area where your municipal water supply isn't that great, or buying bottled water is too expensive, this might be a good option for you. If your fridge has a filter, why not use it? I hope you found this mominar helpful. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might need this information. Let's help each other out. As I mentioned, I have another video you can watch if you have installed the filter and it starts to leak. It's a rare occurrence, but it's an easy fix, so make sure you click on that. I hope this helped you out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next mominar.